Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best Track Saws New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best track saws in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this track saws, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Triton TTS 1400 1400W Plunge Track Saw 230V Easily accessible shaft lock for fast blade change, plunge lock for safety, soft grip handles for comfort, and control on board, tool storage, universal vacuum system adapter with 360 rotational outlet.
Top 9.
Metabo 18V6 a half circular saw bear, 601,857,890 18LTX 57 bear, woodworking made in Germany, world-class production facilities, and techniques, absolute focus on quality by our employees at every stage of production, manual, hybrid and fully automated assembly systems, German engineering and ingenuity.
Top 8.
Makita XSR01Z18VX2LXT Lithium-Ion 36V Brushless Cordless Rear Handle 7/1/4 Circular Saw, 2 Lonely, powered by 2LXT batteries. X2LXT technology delivers more power, speed and runtime without the hassles of a cord. Makita built electronically controlled BL motor delivers 5,100 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during cut for optimum performance. X2LXT technology delivers up to 558 cross cuts per charge in 2x4 SPF lumber and up to 291 cross cuts per charge in 2x10 SPF lumber using two 5.0 Ah batteries not included.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
SKILSAW SPT77WML0115 amp 7/1/4 inch lightweight worm drive circular saw. Lightest magnesium construction reduces user fatigue for less downtime. Cut ready depth of cut system helps with quick, accurate depth measurements. 53 degrees bevel allows users to complete a wider variety of cuts. 15 amp of power gives users the power to rip through more lumber in less time. The anti-snag lower guard provides smooth operation for small cut-off pieces.
Top 6.
Makita XSH08Z18VX2LXT Lithium-Ion 36V Brushless cordless 7/1/4 circular saw with guide rail compatible base. Too lonely convenient guide rail compatible saw base interacts with optional guide rails to provide perfect, dead-on straight, or bevel cutting without the need for an adapter powered by 2LXT batteries. X2LXT technology delivers more power, RPM and runtime without the hassles of a cord. Batteries not included. Makita built electronically controlled BL motor delivers 6,000 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during cut for optimum performance.
Top 5.
Worx WX530L Exactrack 20V6.5 circular saw better rip cuts. Exactrack lines up flush against the cutting guide, saving you a measurement and letting you see exactly where you're cutting. Easier to control. The compact size of this saw makes it easier to use, easier to maneuver, and easier to store. Do it all with the same battery. Worx Power Share is compatible with all Worx 20V and 40V tools, outdoor power and lifestyle products. Better plunge cuts. That compact size also makes it easier to perform plunge cuts. Just line up the base and down you go. Aluminum base, dent resistant and built to last, so you'll have smooth straight lines for years to come. Spindle lock make quicker and safer. Blade changes with the spindle lock, and the included hex key soft touch grip allows you to really grab hold and direct this saw just where you want it to go. And the additional front grip gives you even more leverage. Includes 20V6.5 circular saw, 2.0 20V battery, 0.4 charger, 24T wood cutting blade, vacuum adapter, hex key.
Top 4.
Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. Powerful 12.0 amp motor for optimum performance in a wide variety of materials. Precision accurate cutting delivers a splinter-free mirror finish. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smooth cutting. Variable speed control dial, 2000 to 5200 RPM. Enables user to match the speed to the application. Built-in current limiter helps prevent motor burnout. Soft start feature for smooth startups. Arbor, millimeters, 20 millimeters, track. 55-inch large cutting capacity, 2 to 3/16 at 90 degrees and 1 to 9/16 at 45 degrees.
Top 3.
Evolution 027004C Power Tools R185C CSX 7/1/4 multi-material circular track saw kit with 40 track designed to cut a wide range of materials without changing blades. Powerful 15 amp, high torque motor accurately cuts with an adjustable 2.5-inch depth. Includes 40-inch track, ergonomic soft grip handles, dust extraction port and adapter, and premium 7/1/4-inch blade. 0 to 45U acute bevel tilt with pivoter compatible and precise cutting capabilities. Manufacturer's 3-year limited warranty.
Top 2.
When CT1065 10 amp 6.5-inch plunge cut Sidewinder circular track saw. Ditch the table saw. Rip boards up to 2 1/3 inches thick with clean, splinter-free cuts. Create 45-degree bevel cuts in boards up to 1 to 5/8 inches thick. Perfect for ripping boards or for performing internal plunge cuts. Includes a 6.5-inch 24-tooth carbide tipped blade, 165 mm, with a 20 mm arbor compatible with the Wen CT9502 100-inch track. and the Wen CT992F track saw clamps.
Top 1.
Bosch Tools Track Saw GKT13 to 225L6 1/2 in. Presses and saw with plunge action and carrying case track saw with plunge action provides fast, easy setup for one-step clean finish cuts in wood and wood-based sheet goods, such as laminated particle boards and plywood. Plunge mechanism allows for precise plunge cuts with accurate depth of cut. Single bevel pivot point when sawing using a track, sold separately. The track can be positioned in the same way for bevel cuts or non-bevel cuts. Constant electronics helps maintain speed under the load of more demanding applications. Overload protection protect the motor from overheating. Efficient dust extraction when connected to suitable vacuum cleaner, supports easier working conditions. Swiveling hose port keeps optional vacuum cleaner hose out of the way.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.